Hello. So today we will start one chapter that is called life process. So actually what is the meaning of life process? We will discuss shortly. So students, life process means that any kinds of living organisms take birth. Yes. Then after living on this earth surface, one day every kinds of living organisms also die. Yes. Then starting the period from birth and ending with death, that middle stage, yes or no, where different types of living organisms grow. Yes. And ultimately they reach up to one optimum level. Then after that, due to any kinds of reason, whenever they become old, then they die. Yes or no? So that the birth stage up to that death stage, that middle stage, that is called life. Yes. And for this life means this is the ongoing procedure. Yes or no? That for surviving on this earth surface, we have to maintain the life. Yes or no? Different types of processes are there required. All such kinds of processes are required by different types of living organisms. Students, that living organisms means different types of living organisms. I am telling about unicellular living organisms. I am telling about multicellular living organisms. Yes or no? Different types of organisms, those who are live. Yes or no? They grow in their life period. They move from place to place. They reproduce their offsprings. Yes or no? So different types of things they do. From for your that reproduction process, for your movement process, then for your digestion process. For all such kinds of processes, energy is required. Energy is required or not? So that energy will come from where? Yes or no? Energy will come from where? How they survive on this earth surface, so that they can spend their lifetime smoothly. Yes or no? On this earth surface. So the number one point is that, shortly I am telling you, this is the introduction, that nutrition. Different types of living organisms eat food. Understood or not? What type of food they eating, that is different matter. But they eat food. Complex food materials, whenever they eat, then after that, such complex food materials convert into simplest form. Where that simplest formation, that it will be formed inside their stomach. Understood or not? Or inside their body. Let us take the example of amoeba and just compare that amoeba's that nutrition method with human beings. Okay, although little bit different, but the point is that is the unicellular and human beings are multicellular. But that digestion occurs or not in both the cases. So digestion is the life process. Without digestion, energy cannot be formed. Without the digestion, simplest component cannot be formed. And simplest components, if will not be formed, then what would be happened? Glucose would not be derived. Carbohydrate will not be that evolved. Then your that protein, fats, different kinds of your that simplest components, that such components would not be formed. So ultimately, that digestion is the life process. Okay, means nutrition is the life process. Then after that, you see respiration. Respiration is required or not? Respiration means inhalation and exhalation, that is called breathing. Yes or no? Different types of living organisms, they produce energy in the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen. Yes or no? That is called respiration. Where that energy formation takes place inside their cells. In case of human beings, ATP forms inside our cell, and that for the formation of ATP, oxygen required. That oxygen comes from outside atmosphere. Yes or no? And latter stage, it gets mixed with your blood. Then circulation is another kind of process. Circulation is also compulsory thing. Yes or no? Heart pumps the blood. Blood moves around inside the body, inside different types of blood vessels. Yes. So circulation is one life process. Nutrition is the life process. Then after that, your respiration is the life process. Waste materials also form. Yes, on inside the body. After the formation of energy, carbon dioxide forms. Then inside the blood also, blood needs to be purified. unnecessary products also form inside the body, just like urea, excessive amount of salt, such kinds of things actually passed outside from the body. There is one system, excretory system. Yes or no? So excretion is also another kind of process. Then after that, your nervous systems also present, because we are present in our atmosphere, different types of atmospheres. We actually studying our atmosphere. We actually, according to that, we react upon different types of situations. Understood or not? So therefore, nervous system is also another kind of system present in our body. That is also one part of our life process. So here my point of view is that I mean to say that different types of life processes are required to maintain our life. Yes or no? To sustain our life. So this is the little bit introduction I was giving you. Step by step we will discuss. In the next video I will upload nutrition part of human beings. Thank you.